Hello. This has been a long time coming. I've been looking for, why do I have sunglasses on? I'm literally in the garage. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. This is a video that has been a long time coming. I've been looking forward to doing this video for a very long time, ever since I saw my YouTube friend Dahlia Rudd do this video about a year ago when she had her permit, and I immediately put it on my video ideas list. I was like, I have to do this video whenever I get my permit. So here we are a year later. I have my permit. Now, this video is titled Driving for the First Time. This is technically not my first time driving because I've already had to drive once with a driving instructor legally to be able to drive on the real roads. Anyway, this is already way too long of an intro, but I'm just gonna get into it. Also, my twin sister Allie is gonna have a little part in this video of her driving too, just to lengthen this video a little bit and give you some extra entertainment. So let's hit the roads.
Let go of it. Let go of it.
Okay.
You actually held it so long you turned it back off again.
Oh, whoops.
Rear view mirror?
Okay, I think I'm good. Can I go? Reverse?
Oh god, in reverse.
Dad?
I'm scared.
Yeah. In the garage, you
Leave
know
it there.
your wheels are straight.
Yeah.
So really, you don't have to use your steering wheel. So you put it into reverse, keep your foot in the brake. This will show you the
Back up
guys
camera.
apart. Exactly. Now you're out. You're good.
And then I'll go this
A little
way?
bit of gas. Why are you stopping? Wind it all the way and gas. You have to put it in drive and hit gas. And you're off and running. Now you're going to straighten out as you turn. No, not yet. Wait.
Oh my god.
You have to hit gas.
She was running for like 4
Yes.
hours.
Go all the way to the white line. All the way to the white line. Don't stop early. Don't stop early. Go all the way to the white line. Why are you going so slow?
Sorry,
Turn,
I've never driven before.
Turn.
I'm turning.
Go. There you go.
Good God.
You're good. No reason to go that hard on the brake. Soft
Sorry.
and then
Well, you're telling me to go faster.
gas to the right.
We're gonna die.
4 more lights to get onto the freeway.
On the freeway?
Under the freeway.
Oh, whew.
You're
I
going
thought you
straight
said
to
onto
the
the
beach.
freeway.
Keep up with this guy and then stay close to him. If you give too much distance, everyone will want to go around and get in front of you.
Oh, there's a car next to me.
Nice. Now green, a little bit of gas. Just look for pedestrians and bikers, but it's your arrow to turn. Good. We just broke the camera.
No, I didn't. Stop.
Get back to 35 miles an hour.
I'm scared.
You want a leash with that truck.
I'm trying.
Don't slow down.
Well, I don't want to hit the guy.
No,
It's so beautiful. Wow. It's amazing. We're doing it. Allie, we're going 60 miles an hour. Okay.
you're letting him get away.
There's literally nobody behind me. This is a one-way road.
Before you turn right, you have to look and make sure that pickup truck and those people clear the beach before you can turn. Now you can go up.
This hill?
Yeah, just drive up it. It's going to teach you how to get a little gas.
Oh, it's
a
really
road.
winding.
Put a
I'm
gas.
not going backwards. Oh,
Yeah,
that's such a
but-
cute little house.
I know. Stop looking at the homes and look at the road.
I tried to enjoy myself. I'm not going to drive into
Gas.
anything.
Gas.
Yes.
No longer curvy.
Sir.
You're right. There you go. Perfect. You see what I'm saying? You see how that car impeded your view? Forward until you had a view. Then you went, don't look at the camera, or else I will throw it out the window.
Dun, dun, dun,
Good job. Still 25, so perfect. That's the wrong way. There you go. But you have to hit the gas to go. There you go. See how he's just perfect. He actually perfect stop right here. There you go. Now this is a little tighter, but you're fine. As long as you stay between the white lines, you'll never make a mistake. And you're about to go over the white line and get hit by the truck. You have to stay between the lines.
I'm sorry.
40 miles an hour, and we don't want that. Green.
Oh no. Okay. Oh.
Now you're free.
Hello.
Go fast. Go.
I'm literally going.
You're only going 40.
She's-
Hit the gas pedal.
Dad, and is that better?
That's way better.
Okay, there's a car. Allison, you need to keep your mouth shut back there.
I agree. You're gonna go through a roundabout. Okay, you're gonna slow down. Oh, that guy just decided to pull ahead. No problem. This way, don't hit the curb. Hit the gas and go around and go straight. And a little bit of gas and go all the way around. Yep. Good. Good?
Yes.
Okay.
Allie's turn?
Yes.
Oh God, I'm happy.
But put it in park. Put it in park.
Whoa. Allie's turn.
Good?
Yeah.
Gas. Uphill. Gas. Good. Good job. Gas.
I'm going.
It's getting away from you.
Doing? You're like leaving. Hurry. Okay, if you don't want me to talk to him in the backseat, you better
I'm not
shut
talking,
up.
I'm not
Katie, enough.
Am I turning left?
It's green. Follow him.
I know,
He's
I'm
turning
not
right. Go right. You've got to get to the light to turn right, though. Why are you crawling? Now go right, take a right, take a right. You're doing 4 miles an hour.
Because I want to make sure I'm not going to hit anybody and cause an accident.
You know, slow down. It's red. Green, go.
I'm waiting for this car so I don't hit it.
You're nowhere near them. Go.
You could also put your blinker on and change lanes. I don't want to change them.
Don't change your lanes.
Just kidding.
Enough. And give a little bit of gas as soon as you make the turn. So change lanes to that one and go straight. Wrong direction.
Oh.
You signal to go right. Go. Keep up with the Suburban. Very nice slowing down and stopping.
Okay, I'm much better braking than Katie.
Oh. We're not competitive at all though. Yes. No. Good. Good job.
Oh my good.
That's somebody on their cell phone. See what it looks like? See them slow down to 20 and weave? Yep. That's on their phone.
And now they're going fast and speeding up.
Right, you're going to get in the left-hand turn lane and go up the big hill. There's going to be a lot of cars. You might actually
I have to
stop.
go up a hill. Okay. God.
What you don't want to do is sit paralyzed in the intersection and say, I'm not sure what to do. You have to make a commitment. You have to always stand to the right. Now, if you're in England or Dublin, that'd be different.
That is not important right now, Dad. Grocery store time. Grocery haul. Salad, apples, Greek yogurt, brownie mix, dark chocolate, watermelon, and ice cream. We made it alive! Thanks for watching, subscribe. Bye!